Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered where it's all going? We're told the universe is expanding, racing outwards since the dawn of time. But what if I told you that this expansion is not the end of the story? What if the universe isn't just moving away from us, but is actually on a grand journey? Back home, think about it. Everything that expands eventually returns. A breath you exhale must be drawn back in. A wave that crashes on the shore recedes back into the ocean. It's a fundamental rhythm of existence. This cosmic expansion, this breathtaking stretching of space and time, is part of a much larger, more profound cycle. The Quran beautifully illustrates this cosmic finale, stating, "On the day when we will fold the heaven like a scroll of writings." Imagine that for a moment. Every galaxy, every nebula, every star, every single speck of cosmic dust being gently folded back. It's not a collapse into chaos, but a deliberate, purposeful return. It's like a map that has been unrolled to show a vast and wondrous land, and is now being carefully rolled back up, its purpose fulfilled. This isn't just about cosmic mechanics. It's a deeply spiritual concept. It tells us that creation isn't a straight line moving infinitely into the void. It's a circle, a perfect, divine circle. The journey of the universe began with a single, powerful command, be. And from that singular point of origin, all of this magnificence unfolded. The galaxies began to spin, stars ignited, and life, in its countless forms, emerged. We are all part of this unfolding. Every thought we have, every action we take, every connection we make, is a ripple in this expanding cosmic ocean. But the story doesn't end there. Just as it all began with a command, it will all conclude with one, return. Every single soul, every glimmer of light, every celestial body, is on this journey of return. We are all heading back to our origin. This idea changes everything, doesn't it? It means that our lives are not random or directionless. We are not just drifting through an indifferent cosmos. We are on a pilgrimage. We are travelers heading towards our ultimate destination. This perspective gives our existence a profound sense of purpose. It reminds us that we came from a source of absolute light and perfection, and it is to that source we are destined to return. The challenges we face, the joys we experience, the love we share, it's all part of this incredible, circular journey. It's not about an end, but a completion. A coming full circle. Think about the most distant galaxy you can imagine, billions of light years away. Even that galaxy is on the same path home as you and me. We are all connected in this grand return. We are all part of a single, unified story that began with be and will culminate in return. This isn't a scientific theory to be debated. It's a spiritual truth to be felt in the core of your being. It's a promise of reunion. When you look at the world around you, see it through this lens. See the cycles of nature, the seasons turning, the water evaporating and returning as rain, as small reflections of this great cosmic cycle. Our own lives mirror this pattern. We are born, we live, we grow, and eventually, we return to the one who gave us life. The idea that creation is a circle, not a line, is incredibly comforting. It means that nothing is ever truly lost. It's all part of a process of transformation and return. The universe isn't just a physical space, it's a spiritual journey. And we are all participants in this sacred expedition. We are not just observers. We are the very essence of the journey itself. We are the universe experiencing its own return. So, the next time you feel small or lost in the vastness of it all, remember this: you are not adrift, you are on a path, you are heading home. The entire universe is your fellow traveler, and you are all moving towards the same divine embrace. The story of creation is the story of a love that lets go, only to call everything back to itself. We all came from one command, and one day we will all answer the call to return. Thank you so much for watching and contemplating this journey with me. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that explores the deeper meanings of our existence. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, may you find peace on your own journey home.